Three skincare products that I cannot live without. I would literally crash out if it was discontinued. Number one, the Rhode Glazing Milk. This toner is so good for hydration boost. It preps my skin so perfectly for my serums. It strengthens my moisture barrier and it leaves me with that glow from within type of look. Gotta have it. The next product is my Good Molecules Discoloration Serum. This product is a game changer. It has tranexamic acid, which literally fades hyperpigmentation over time. So if you struggle with uneven skin tone, this will have your skin looking bright and even in no time. And the last product is sunscreen. Duh. No matter how good your skin is, if you are not protecting your skin from the sun, all of these products that I just mentioned is a waste of time. Look at my skin. If you want your skin glowy like this, you know where to find the links to the products.